Welcome back to ClearTask. If you're stuck in an endless Cloudflare, verify you are human loop, you're in the right place. As a developer, I see this issue often, and today I'll show you the absolute fastest ways to fix it and get back to your browsing. Let's dive right in. The most common cause for this loop is outdated or corrupted browser data. Here is the easiest way to resolve it in Google Chrome. First, open Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Set the time range to all time and click the Clear Data button. Once this is done, refresh the page. In most cases, this solves the problem immediately. If the loop is still happening, here are 2 quick updated fixes to check. First, ensure your computer's date and time are synchronized correctly. Cloudflare relies on accurate system time to verify secure connections. Just go to your PC's system settings and set the time to update automatically. Second, try temporarily disabling any active VPNs or proxy extensions. Sometimes Cloudflare flags specific IP addresses from these services as suspicious and will continuously block them. That's it. One of these methods should have you past the verification screen. If this helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech solutions. Thanks for watching.